आर्किटेक्चर एंट्रेंस एग्जाम इन इंडिया हर एक फील्ड में, जैसे लॉ में या डॉक्टरी में हमें लाइसेंस की जरूरत होती है इन ऑर्डर टू प्रिपेयर फॉर दिस और इन ऑर्डर टू परस्यू दिस फील्ड, वैसे ही आर्किटेक्चर के लिए भी कॉलेजेस में जाने से पहले या कॉलेजेस में से ग्रेजुएट हो जाने के बाद काउंसिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर इज बेसिकली कंडक्टिंग दिस वन ऑफ द मेन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स व्हिच इज कॉल्ड नाटा। 3 तरीके के आर्किटेक्चर के एंट्रेंस एग्जाम्स हैं, जिसमें आज हम नाटा नेशनल एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट इन आर्किटेक्चर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। नाटा क्या है? नाटा इज अ नेशनल लेवल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम दैट इज कंडक्टेड बाय द काउंसिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर, और ये 2006 से ये एंट्रेंस ले रहे हैं। ये फर्स्ट ईयर में एडमिशन लेने के लिए है। 5 इयर्स का डिग्री प्रोग्राम है। इंजीनियरिंग 4 साल है, लॉ 4 साल है, वैसे ही आर्किटेक्चर इज अ 5 ईयर डिग्री प्रोग्राम। तो फर्स्ट ईयर में एडमिशन के पहले ये लोग ये एग्जाम जो है वो लेते हैं हर साल। So basically they also want to know what NATA is. They want to assess a student on basis of your skills. आर्किटेक्चर के बारे में किस तरीके के स्किल्स हैं आपके, विजुअलाइजेशन स्किल्स कैसे हैं, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के स्किल्स कैसे हैं, परसेप्शंस एंड थिंकिंग एबिलिटी। तो इन सारे एरियाज में असेस करके कैंडिडेट्स को, वो लोग जो स्कूल में पढ़ाई किए हैं आप लोग, उसके बेसिस के ऊपर दे विल बी एबल टू आस्क यू क्वेश्चंस ऑन इट। Then there are total 465 colleges. Of course, India is a very big country. All across all the 28 states, there are 465 colleges जो आपको proper 5 years का degree program देगा। और ये सारे के सारे 465 colleges जो है वो नाटा का test score consider करेंगे for admissions into their colleges. Here I have mentioned the list of top 10 colleges. सेट है, सर जे है, निर्मा है, everything to Chitkara School of Planning and Architecture. These are all our top 10 colleges for India through NATA for architecture. Then, ideally, हर साल almost 30,000 students apply करते हैं, जिसमें से 25,000 students appear होते हैं नाटा का एग्जाम। So it's not like लाखों करोड़ों में there is no लाखों करोड़ों students who are going to be writing this exam. There are close to 25,000 students who will appear for the NATA exam and will be giving these papers. What happens after you give your NATA is अलग अलग कॉलेजेस में, स्टेट में, अलग अलग स्टेट्स के लिए आपको अलग अलग एप्लीकेशंस करने हैं, कॉलेजेस में नाटा का स्कोर कार्ड भेजना है, तब जाके वो आपको एडमिशंस के लिए इनवाइट कर पाएंगे, राइट? Now this year, so yes, every year they are taking the NATA exam after the boards and everything, but इस साल क्योंकि boards ही पीछे जा रहे हैं, irrespective of that, eligibility is the same. पहले भी 2019 से जब से इन्होंने change किया है, science background with physics, maths and chemistry as your compulsory subjects, 50% aggregate मतलब average marks, इन तीनों subjects के मिला के 50% होने चाहिए। For example, you get 70 in mathematics and 40 in physics, और जब overall aggregate करेंगे अगर वो भी 50% के ऊपर जा रहा है, that means you are still eligible. They don't mean to say that सब में 50 के ऊपर आना चाहिए। Overall 12th का जो result आएगा 10+2, that also has to be more than 50%. NATA, just like every year, they will be conducting it 2 times. The first exam is on 10th of April, that is 1 month and 6 days from now. Second exam is on 12th of June, and so also you can make a note of this. Results वो लोग 4 दिन में declare कर देंगे। 10th April का जो exam है उसका result है declaring it on 14th of April. 12th June का जो exam है वो लोग उसको 16 June को फटाफट they will give you the results. The application forms are open now and they will be open till the exam. Of course, first attempt के लिए 28 March तक ये पूरा exam महीना आप capitalize कर सकते हो. You can put your applications, and for second attempt also you can go up till May. Diploma holders also can apply provided that they have mathematics as their compulsory subject, 10+3 में 50% aggregate marks के साथ. Colleges क्या देखेंगे कि score जो है नाटा का score that has to be 50% and your overall 12th result should be 50%. So please do not flunk your board exams and pay really great attention to it. Then we want to look at test centers. Test centers पे बुला के, so it is not an online test. जब COVID में 2020 में नाटा का test हुआ था, then the students were given an option to stay at home and write this exam. But this year around, you have to go to the centers. Centers पे जाना है, टोटल 158 सिटीज में, इंडिया में पूरे हर एक स्टेट में 158 सिटीज में ये टेस्ट कंडक्ट होगा with one international test center in Dubai. Then, mode of examination. This is the most interesting part and very highlighted. अब से सारी चीजें interesting होने वाली है इस presentation में. It's a complete online test, like a CBT, computer-based examination. Total 200 marks है. अच्छा, पहले अब बोल रहे हैं सब there used to be drawing and people were drawing and there was a thick portion for general aptitude also. But now the complete paper is going to be an aptitude test only. But aptitude test में ऐसा नहीं है. If you can see on left hand side of your screen, everything from logical reasoning to mathematical ability, verbal, design elements and principles, GK, building knowledge, architectural awareness. You can of course make a note of it. I will be sharing some sample questions as how these things will be. So stick through. Mathematics and physics. Yes, chemistry का कहीं पे भी कोई mention नहीं है, but still we can expect 1 marks, 2 marks और 3 marks के questions हो सकते हैं, a total of 125 questions. Earlier in NATA exam 17 marks तक के भी questions आते थे. अब वो सब डिडक्ट करके 1 mark, 2 marks और 3 marks के question होंगे. Overall 200 marks is the paper for NATA. Categorized into 4 different types of questions. MCQ, अगर यहाँ पे कोई students ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने UCEED अगर दिया है, तो these terms are very similar to UCEED or NID's exam or NIFT's exam or overall all the general examinations. Multiple choice based question, MCQ, MSQ, multiple select, एक ही सवाल के अगर 2 से सही जवाब है तो preferential choice question, matlab this has to do a lot with drawing and design and all of those things, and numerical answer type. We will go into a little bit detail about all of this. Acha, इनके brochure में clearly specified है that questions could be asked in various topics and may not be limited to those outlined. ये जो outline दी है इसके अलावा भी questions आ सकते हैं. They're very clear about it that yes, you can expect all sorts of things in the exam. Overall, the qualifying marks, unlike every year, is 75 out of 200. Last year it was like as 80. This year it is going to be 75, and it's a 3-hour paper on a computer. Okay. Next, so this is where things will get interesting. BRDS course content, because now it is an aptitude test, we already have a software in place. Our team of teachers, the CEPT alumni, are extremely excited and ready for what are we going to teach. So all the students and all the parents who are listening to this, you can pay really high attention to what is coming up. So this one, multiple choice type question, MCQ, multiple select question, preferential choice type question और numerical answer test. अब क्या किया है टीचर्स ने यहाँ पे BRDS के टीचर्स ने they have given a probability. So if you can see towards the end, 75 questions ऐसे हो सकते हैं जो 1 mark each के होंगे, which will yield you 75 marks. 25 questions ऐसे भी हो सकते हैं जो 2 marks each and 25 questions ऐसे हो सकते हैं जो 3 marks each. ये टोटल अगर हम मिला रहे हैं तो हमें 200 marks मिल रहे हैं. So ideally, this could be the probability as per how they are going to ask you these questions. Now, coming up will be the type of questions. So, okay, let's say they've mentioned basic concepts in maths, physics and geometry. Chemistry को हटा के उन्होंने geometry लिखा है. Now, quantitative part, 10th standard का जो basic maths है या फिर maths और physics के topics अगर हम कहें, area है, perimeter है, probability, MCQ में किस तरीके के क्वेश्चंस हो सकते हैं उसका सैंपल यहाँ पे लेके आए हैं. Which phenomena listed in the options below is responsible for twinkling of stars? So for example, this is only one, there can only be one answer to this question. वो है answer number B, that is atmospheric refraction. The same question, the same type of question can be also asked as a 2-mark question. How? Which phenomena listed in the options below is responsible for twinkling of stars? The last option, option number D, is little bit changed, total internal reflection. So ये question हो जा सकता है 2 marks का. More than one answer could be possible. Could be, it's a possibility. So then it becomes atmospheric refraction and total internal reflection as your 2 choices. So MCQ जब पूछ रहे हैं जहाँ पे कोई भी एक सही जवाब है, MSQ पूछ रहे हैं जहाँ पे एक से ज्यादा सही जवाब हो सकते हैं. Okay. NAT. So NAT again will be more focused on maths, physics, and geometry aspects of it. NAT. So an intersection in where there are two or more lines or curves meet or cross. How many intersections are there in this figure? So this is an observation plus a mathematical question. So it is your 44. 44 will be the answer when you count all the intersections in this loop over here. I got a little stuck. Everybody can hear me? Yeah, okay. Now, they mentioned also something about elements and principles of design. Yes, drawing nahi karna hai, you don't have to necessarily go and draw, but there will be questions that will test your design sense, that will test how strong is your drawing abilities. Now, image analysis हो सकता है, image based questions identification के लिए भी पूछ सकते हैं. This is a PCQ. So last year in COVID, they had this term as PTQ. Now they changed it to PCQ. So let's look at the question. Identify the most appropriate principles of design in the following image. Now there are three answers to this question. Each will carry one mark. So this is a 3 marks question. Now the answer is as pattern, unity, and rhythm. ABD. Now, how do you come out with this answer is, अगर ऊपर नीचे ब्रैकेट में लिखा है, all the answers given are nearly correct, but there is a preference with the nearer answer. मतलब जो भी नजदीकी सही जवाब है उसको आप preference दे सकते हो, which is why it is called preferential type question. Make sense to you? It's important that you understand. Yeah, there's nothing to be scared about all of this. It's just so common. Language and interpretation, English and comprehension, identify missing words, synonyms, and antonyms, MCQ. This is the kind of question. Which of the following statements are compound statements? Compound statements, I feel we've studied in 6th standard, if I'm not wrong. So answer C, Ram and Rahim are friends, is the most answer. Aesthetic sensitivity. Aesthetic sensitivity will also a lot of mean by non-verbal reasoning. It will mean by paper folding, आ सकता है, paper cutting, light and shadow. These are the topics which you already there in the BRDS course structure. We just have to make new questions and come up. So here it is 3XYZ, तीन अलग-अलग चीजें दी हुई हैं, unfolded. Now you have to resemble, which will be, so it is an observation, this thing also, and how would you just make it? Answer is D, apparently in this one. Color theory is the most important again. Color wheels, kya hai, color schemes, color terms, how do you use all this, because architecture will be very important. So in this question, what this person is trying to say is, if you want to design a space which can be used as both a living room as well as an office space, because abhi sab work from home kar rahe hain. So what kind of a background is preferred from most preferred to least preferred? Most preferred background से least preferred background. So again, this same will of course have multiple options, multiple pathways to this. But the correct option is option number 2, A, C, B, D is how somebody will prefer this. Then this is about lateral thinking and logical reasoning. Majorly puzzles, classification, coding, decoding, alphabetical series, इन सारे questions के ऊपर focus कर सकते हैं. One of this is find out the correct side view of A, B, C in the given object. So this is low, how do you call it? The low, I'm not very sure this thing, but then you have to fix the colors that is given, the blue, green, and yellow, and come up with this. It's about logical thinking, visual perception, and cognition. So everything, perspectives, because perspectives as an architect is the most important base area that you guys will have. Dice and pattern, subtractive transformation, architecture importance of a building. In sare questions ke upar bhi there could be questions that can be asked. So in this question, they are asking, it's a 2-point perspective of an interior drawing, and you have to place it correctly in a proper sequence. So uske liye bhi they've given you all the things, and it's basically about detailing and how do you understand all this perception is what you have to So this can be again 1 mark. It can be asked in an MCQ also. इसमें 2-3 options और बढ़ा देंगे, इसको थोड़ा सा twist करेंगे तो ये 2 mark का भी हो सकता है. Graphics and imaginary. So this is also a little bit new, slightly different from what they've never asked before. So again, but it is very simple. Graphics, vector, scalar techniques जो आप already 12th standard के maths में पढ़ रहे हैं. So in this particular, they've shown the picture and they've asked you the color scheme through pixel technique. How will you come up with it? So then option number B in this one is how many colors have been used in that particular photograph. This kind of questions you can expect. Imagery is what they call it. Building anatomy and architectural vocabulary. So they can, yes, is particular questions. So this is a PCQ question again. Why a preferential question is, following are the Indian monuments. Arrange them from north to south. So then not necessarily that you will keep south of India as a south. You can also have Gujarat as your south, and you can make an entire anti-clockwise direction for this. So this is about how will you show it in a proper sequence. So again, it can be a 2 mark or a 3 mark question based on the number of options that you have to select as your answers. Accordingly, they have basic techniques for building construction and knowledge of material. So in this particular section, it is a little bit of breakthrough. अगर हम staircase बना रहे हैं, किसी भी building में staircase बना रहे हैं, तो किस तरीके का material हमने staircase में use किया है? Where is the landing? Where is the railing? Where is the nosing? All of those kind of things. So identifying the correct options from the given below. They will just put numbers and you have to identify what wood है, brick है, stone है, इसके visual elements क्या है, building के, how do you identify all this kind of things will be there. And then general knowledge and current affair. So let's say the Pritzker's Prize, winner of 2018. Now Pritzker's Prize is given to only architects. Who got it last year or in 2018 is a GK question from the architecture background. Griha Council is they're closely working with environment and green building architecture things. So then they also want to know how knowledgeable you are in terms when it comes to architecture. So this kind of questions is what you can expect when it is coming to the entire NATA paper. 125 questions. These are the areas that they can cover. There is more also, but for that we think you should join our coaching program so that you will know what all are the interesting more topics that can be joined. Coming back to again physics and mathematics for 12th standard तक के level का. Already you are doing these portions in your schools. You've done it for an entire year. Council of Architecture has been very generous and given you an entire outline. आपको एक पूरी outline दी है कि किस topics के ऊपर वो लोग paper में questions पूछेंगे. तो हम पर फिर भी उसका brush up कराएंगे closer to the exam. If you are joining BRDS as part of your coaching program, so all the sections, including the drawing or the PTQ and MCQ and this physics, maths, chemistry, geometry, everything will be part of the course. So I want to little bit talk about how we are going to help you train because time is really short. First of all, we are starting the newest batch from tomorrow onwards. We are doing crash courses and regular courses both for NATA 2021. जो भी students इस class में हैं who are going to appear for the NATA exams. First of all, a very strong recommendation that you give both your attempts. First attempt 10th April वाला भी और 12th June वाला भी दोनों दीजिए so that when you are finally going to a college, applying into one, आपका best score calculate होगा and this will give you a lot of these things. So we here at BRDS, we have online courses. If somebody cannot go to a center और घर बैठे अगर prepare करना चाह रहे हैं, you can do online classes with us. We have 51 centers across the country. You can find your closest center and go for offline classes also. We are doing 3 months, 2 months, 4 weeks, 2 weeks and 10 days. ये पूरा program we can finish it in 10 days also and ये पूरा program हम आराम से 3 months में 2 months में भी complete कर सकते हैं. So definitely sign up. Who all will be taking the classes? These are just some key features. All the CEPT alumni that are there. CEPT is basically it's an Asia's #1 architecture school. BRDS has teachers, alumni from that college who are going to be teaching all our students who are signing up for the classes. So classes by SEPT alumni, complete study material, GAT general aptitude में there are a lot of books also. The coming slides will show you what all kind of books, but the complete study material will be provided from BRDS. आपको कहीं इधर उधर नहीं भागना है. You don't have to go in search of any other material. Recorded video classes, especially for in areas of drawing where you will still think that you need to practice, home assignments and revision classes. So this is all is what part of our courses are. New batch details, as I said, we are starting a new batch tomorrow on 8th. We will be starting a new batch on 10th, 15th, 22nd and 29th. Entire month we are starting new batches that will let a student coach till the exam that they are writing for. 3 hours or 2 hours based on how much time you have, because I believe all of you आप सब लोग 12th science appearing students होंगे at least 80%, क्योंकि यहाँ पे मेरे यहाँ पे 80% students are 12th appearing students and they're really tight. But BRDS is very accommodating. आप जितना भी time दे सकते हैं coaching में, उतने time में हम आपकी preparations 100% करवा देंगे. So you have multiple batch options with you available. Monday to Saturday, we will try to give a little bit information in terms of classes all week, so that because it's a lot of content that you will have to learn, it will be easy. Classes till the exam, and before both the exams, the first test and the second test, there will be a 10-day brush up course in which the entire thing will be revised and you will be solving all these mock test papers. So basically our team of faculties is already developing or is already on it. They're developing 10 new mock test papers as per the 2021 paper patterns, which will be ready by the end of the month. So before you're writing your exam, you will probably have an idea of how this exams will be. Study material, जब बात कर रहे हैं, if you are signing up for a crash course with us or for a 3 months program, there is an entire set of 15 books, 15 किताबें जो BRDS आपको provide करेगा. इसमें color concept से लेकर के 2D 3D visualization objects, architectural encyclopedia, prominent buildings of the world, all of these things are part of these books, including the mock test papers, including quant, including verbal reasoning, including analytical, and all of this. Complete GAT. It's a full study material set. These books can also be separately ordered. Once in a while, if students cannot sign up for any of the classes and they think that they want to prepare on their own, घर बैठे ही self study करना चाह रहे हैं, तो ये books आप घर पे individually भी मंगा सकते हैं. Now, I would like to give you my top 10 reasons why you should join BRDS. Highest number of results. So, as I said, 2020 was this is not the first time NATA is changing their paper pattern. 2020 mein, they have already changed this paper pattern and we were able to capitalize in 10 days. 10 days में हमारे faculties नए paper के साथ सभी students को with a lot of confidence they were able to send them for the exams. We got a total 824 selections, students who had qualified NATA last year. This is the highest result in the country. You pick any college also, NID, NIFT, SEP, NATA, कुछ भी ले लीजिए. Highest number of students going into these colleges are BRDS students. Second of all, if anybody, even from somebody from the listeners or some of my own students, if you can get any other coaching institute, for example, 140 coaching institute है इंडिया में, BRDS एक तरफ, बाकी के 129 एक तरफ. अगर इन सबका मिला करके भी रिजल्ट BRDS जितना बन रहा है, तो किसी भी सेंटर से 1 करोड़ का प्राइज मनी आप कोई भी क्लेम कर सकते हैं. This is just how much confidence we have. Third and the most important thing, I think for all the NATA appearing students is, it's 100% fee refund guarantee if you do not qualify for NATA. This offer, I bet nobody else is giving in the country. If you coach with BRDS into the crash courses and if you do not qualify, that is 75 out of 200 जो qualifying marks हैं, उससे अगर कम आ रहे हैं, तो जितना भी फीस भर रहे हो यहाँ पे, वो पूरा आप 100% रिफंड मांग सकते हो. आज तक नहीं हुआ है ऐसा. About the director. So, of course, Bhavar sir is the only, again, out of all the 140 coaching institutes, 140 is just an imaginary number. I think छोटे मोटे coaching institutes मिला करके उतना तो हो ही जाएगा. But Bhavar sir is the only one from the design background who's dedicated 15 years of his life into this design and architecture coaching field, and he has made a tremendous amount of contribution to this field. Past के कितने सारे there are a lot of coaching institutes. None of their directors are from a design background, but he is from a design background, and so he knows what is to be taught in these classes. He's been awarded as Man of the Year for last 3 consecutive years from Times of India. This is a very prestigious award. Very proud of him. And BRDS as a coaching institute also has been awarded Best in Design and Architecture Coaching again for last 3 years from Times Group of Companies. So again, very prestigious. This is Bhupendra Chudasama. He's the Education Minister for Gujarat. He published this book called Universities of Gujarat. NID, NIFT, सेप्ट और सेप्ट के साथ सिर्फ BRDS का नाम है इस किताब के अंदर. There is no other institute's name in this book. So we've managed to get there. Faculties. So now also to keep a lot of emphasis on this, जैसे हम स्कूल में जाते हैं और हमारे हर अलग अलग सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए वी हैव डिफरेंट टीचर्स, वी हैव साइंस के लिए, इंग्लिश के लिए डिफरेंट टीचर्स. When a student is signing up for a course at BRDS, they are also learning with multiple teachers during their course. आर्किटेक्ट जाना है, आर्किटेक्चर के कंसेप्ट समझने हैं, आर्किटेक्ट फैकल्टी is taking your class. You want to get better with the design concepts, a design faculty will be taking your class. Once in a while, if you want to build a portfolio or anything, a fine art faculty from MSU or DCA will be taking your class. And all of their profiles are on their website, and they're really highly paid. Come on, they are so highly paid at BRDS in order to teach you and to get the results, the best results in the country. So sir will also be taking masterclass. Masterclasses are something where he gives a lot of information, key information on how to crack the paper and basically score more marks. And छोटी चीजें जो डिजाइनर्स और आर्किटेक्ट्स को पता होनी चाहिए, जो एटलीस्ट वो लोग एंट्रेंस में मिस्टेक्स नहीं करेंगे. So he is the one who will seal the deal for you and be really great. Interaction with toppers last year. So basically NATA 2020, my top scorer at BRDS got 181 out of 200. We will try to set up a session with her so that all the students can know कि उन्होंने किस तरह से prepare किया था, how did she manage to get 181, and then she will share her key information with you also. The study material, as I said, now with this change in paper pattern, there is nothing. So BRDS is so great, no? सारा मटेरियल अपडेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है हमें, सिर्फ मॉक टेस्ट पेपर्स अपडेट कर, बिकॉज आवर मटेरियल, हमारे मटेरियल में जितना भी काउंसिल ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर ने बताया है आउटलाइन, वो सारी चीजें ऑलरेडी हैं. उससे 4 चीजें ज्यादा हैं, बिल्कुल कम नहीं है. हमें सिर्फ मॉक टेस्ट पेपर्स करने हैं, एंड दिस वी अपडेट एवरी ईयर एनीवेज एज पर द पेपर पैटर्न. ऑनलाइन लर्निंग एक्सेस, क्योंकि नाटा का एग्जाम is going to be on a software, and other than that we have a lot of videos and ebooks to share with the students. इसका 24/7 access we will be giving to all the students till they are preparing with us for the entrances. Flexible batches, as I mentioned it earlier, because you are all 12th going students, you will have your other commitments and we do not want to disturb your academics. You can come to us and we will be able to put you in the flexible batch timings that we have. Once in a while अगर miss भी हो जाती है कोई class, so we are not like other coaching classes. We will definitely give you a backup class. You can cover the same topic again all over again. Extra practice classes. So this is a major hooray point because centers open हो चुके हैं. We have extra practice classes from Monday to Friday morning 10 to 8. Marji jitna aaye, you can come and sit at the centers. Faculties will be available. Whatever topics you have doubts on, you want to solidify them, the centers are open. You can completely come and attend those classes over there. Crash courses, we already also spoke about it. Crash courses are something that we want to do before every exam. Usually people will separately sign up for that, but अगर आप 3 months या 2 months के program में join हो रहे हैं, तो crash courses will be completely complimentary for those students. Small batch sizes रखेंगे, although more because of COVID now, but maximum strength will not increase more than 20 students. We have really huge studio spaces at all our centers, and they are very beautiful spaces. But yes, so that the faculty can focus. Highest number of rankers. So of course, selection अगर देख रहे हैं तो yes, there are so many people who've gotten into these colleges. But All India ranks 1, 2, 3. Again, you pick anything: NID, IIT, NIFT, or CEPT. All of the students are BRDS students, and there are more. This is just a very small this thing. We're updating our results year-wise every year. So if you want to go back to 2005 and see how many students from BRDS qualified into NID, NIFT, or CEPT or NATA, you will find all of those details over there, or in 2010 or in 2012. Totally, so far, ever since we started coaching in 2008, 6,015 students have cleared NATA. That means they are placed into the top architecture colleges across the country, and they've already, some of them are already an architects, some of them will become. This is our latest result of 2020. As I said, the highest scorer is 181 Disha, and Zankhana also. Zankhana was a 2-year student with us. She scored 180.5. Was very happy with. Yeah, and so basically a lot of students who are also in 170s, 160s, 150s. We have more than 150 students got above 150 in the NATA exams this year. These are all our NATA top scorers. This is from 2020. So basically, why am I showing this slide to you at all is they are studied from the same syllabus, the same teachers, the same material that you will be studying with when you are joining. And they've done it. They've done it so beautifully. And I'm sure if you are participating, you will also be able to do it. And BRDS, just by showing results, we want to build enough confidence that, so many students. Okay, so CEPT is Asia's #1. We put the maximum student in CEPT from BRDS. SID, of course, CEPT has different schools into the university. It has 5 different schools into the university. Maximum number of students in these schools are from BRDS. So overall, Gujarat state result is 735 for CEPT. All India is 113. So that's total 184. And this is also 74 to this year in CEPT 2020. This is again our rankers, Zankhana, Nirja, and Shikha at CEPT 2020. Because a lot of students are just aiming for CEPT, so just to show you. And I think BRDS is the only institute who is publishing the result along with the photographs, the city where the child belongs from, in which course he has taken the admission, and in which year. So it is a very detailed result. Similarly for JEE paper 2. So JEE paper 2, the second attempt is still remaining. A lot of students, my also BRDI students, and a lot of new students who are joining are giving both NATA and JEE paper 2. So just to simplify or to clarify, दोनों का syllabus is almost the same. JEE paper 2 में you still have to do drawing का part, which will be covered if you are signing up for the crash courses or the regular programs also. So once in a while, if the student is aiming for both JEE paper 2 and NATA, please welcome. Welcome with wide arms, please welcome. We put so many students into SPA Delhi and SPA Bhopal. These are the top colleges in India also. And some students have got 99.99 percentile in JEE paper 2 scores. So full details of students, as I said, we will be very proud that if we can put your photos also like this on our website or give it in the newspaper. BRDS is the only institute who is publishing the result in the newspaper, and we've done it year-wise. So again, just to build a lot of confidence. Yeah. As I said, there are 51 coaching centers of BRDS itself. If you can see on the Indian map behind me, it's not very clear because it's through a glass, but there are 51 centers across the country. All the major cities: Bombay, Pune, Jaipur, Delhi, Bangalore. We have in UP also. We have a major presence in Gujarat. You will find a lot of centers closest to you. If you cannot, then you can give us a call at the head office. This is the number 9825057598. This is our All India number. You can reach out to us, give us a call so that we can put you in touch with the closest BRDS center where you can approach for NATA preparations. I'm sure you've come through somebody. This is why you are here in the first place attending the seminar. You can also give them a call back and they will be able to give you information about how to register, when to start and everything. Next week we will be doing this presentation again for all our students, all the students who've signed up from BRDS coaching on how to fill the application forms. This particular detail I was not able to take into this presentation because we wanted to keep it only about NATA and clarify what the question paper types are. But all the students who are BRDS students will be able to attend the seminar, which is talking about how to apply for NATA and what all are the key details. So if you're signing up for that, you will be able to also make use of it. For more information, we will be putting a couple of videos on YouTube and Instagram and on Facebook also. We have a dedicated website, brdsindia.com, which will carry all the information about 2021 entrance exam for NATA and how will we prepare for it. Of course, the best person to reach is to the center managers through whom you've come here. They are the best people to get in touch with. But once in a while, if you have any questions, you can get back to us. Thank you so much for listening to me. I think I spoke for almost an hour. I hope I was helpful, and all the very best to all the students. And I really hope that you will join and that we can see you more often at the different things we will be hosting.